Dear student, today our sixth lecture I am going to discuss about Coulomb's law. What is Coulomb's law? What is the statement of Coulomb's law? According to Coulomb's law, the force of attraction or repulsion between two stationary point charges is directly proportional to the product of charges and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. This force acts along the line joining of these two charges. Let us consider here with the diagram. We explain here. Look at. Let 2-point charge Q1 and Q2. These 2-point charge are stationary and distance between them are a small r. Then according to Coulomb's statements, force act between them, that is F, is directly proportional to the product of these two charges, and force is also inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. These are two statements of Coulomb's law. When we combine these two statements, we find out force is directly proportional to the Q1 Q2 upon R square. Now, we see here with full derivation of Coulomb's law. Look here. सेम थिंग जो कि अभी मैंने डिस्कस किया, F डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू Q1 Q2, अगेन F inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Therefore, F is directly proportional to the Q1 Q2 upon R square. Therefore, force equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R square, where small k is the some constant that is called proportionality constant, but in this case the value of k equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital K, where capital K is the relative permittivity of the medium. In general, for vacuum, capital K equal to 1. Therefore, the value of constant small k equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square, where epsilon naught equal to electric permittivity of vacuum or air. The value of electric permittivity of vacuum or air equal to 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. Here some misprint. Epsilon naught equal to 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. Newton inverse मीटर माइनस 2 इंटू कूलम स्क्वायर. कैपिटल के को डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट भी कहते हैं या स्पेसिफिक इंडक्टिव कैपेसिटेंस भी कहते हैं या कैपेसिटी. वी स्टॉप हियर and in the next lecture we again discuss from this point. Today, thank you.